In today's video, I'll show you how to change your password in Yahoo Mail on desktop. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Yahoo Mail website. Sign in to your account using your current password and wait for your inbox to load. Once you're inside Yahoo Mail, click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Account Info. This will open your account settings in a new tab. In the Account Settings page, click Security. You may be asked to verify your identity again before you can make changes. Follow the prompts to continue. In the Security section, find the option labeled Change Password and click it. You'll be prompted to enter a new password. Create a strong password that includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using obvious details like your name or birth date. If you use a password manager, you can generate and save a secure password there. Type your new password in the first field, then re-enter it in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typos. Once everything matches, click Continue. You'll see a confirmation message that your password has been updated. From now on, use your new password when signing in. If you're logged in on other devices, you may need to sign in again with the new password. That's it, you've successfully changed your Yahoo Mail password on desktop.